Hi guys, we will move to the next stage of the data processing. So in this case, for the uh, data team or the target management, just provide us the monthly number, not the daily numbers. So if you work with the daily POS data, then you have every day you have orders, and then you have the numbers. But in this case, as you can see here, you every month you have a number. So it can be either the revenue or the sales number or the volume number by segment and then by um, market. Okay. Now I have the first question, which is to add the fiscal number next to uh, the monthly number. So it's very simple request. So in Excel, you can do it by just insert like one, two, three columns, and then you sum all the year together. Okay, so that's very simple. But then in Outreach and Power BI, you have more tricks to do that, and then you have the scalable template to do that. Let me show you how to do it with this trick. Okay, so the first thing is just to uh, unpivot or to collapse this table. So we have a lot of columns, 33 columns in total. So 33 minus the three column here, you can guess that there are 30 months. Okay, so I want to collapse this table into just 5 columns. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do to use the transpose tool, and then I check the 3 column which I will keep, and then I will check the rest for the columns that I want to collapse them or combine them all together. Okay, so after you run this, you can have this one, which is the month, and then this one is the value. Okay, so you can just change this one to the uh, the time column, YMB Y. Okay, so this is the format for the time. And then if you want to take the month by the take the year out of the month, you can just take the first two or the last two or the first two, they are the same. So for example, if I want to compute the FY in this case, I just need to take the FY, and then I want to take the last or the right of the time 2 digit, and then I plus with the FY in front so that you can have the view like this. Okay, so you can see here FY23 all the way, and then FY24, and then until the end. Okay, so this one is very simple trick. Now going back to our purpose, which is to add the year and the month all together. Okay, so I will break it down here into a second stream because I think this stream is good enough already as the what they call the flat file or uh, mm, the underlying data for all the views we want to derive. Okay, so let us derive uh, the first view. Actually, you can derive, this is the first view, and then you can derive the second view, which is to check the number of the number of months in each period. So I group this one by FY, and then I count uniquely or distinctly the number of month DCM, and then I just check to see how many months I have in here. Okay, so so you have like 6 and 12 and 12, so I think it's okay. Data is good. And then I will derive the view in our case, which is in this case I will add the top column here, And for the part A of the view, I will take the FY, okay? And then I do the same thing with part B. So I just, oh, by the way, this one I will want to, uh, I will want to tag. If you want to tag, you can tag the thing here, like tag. This one is the fiscal. So later if you want to split, you can split this one into the fiscal. And then the second one, I just copy the whole thing in here, and then I will make the part B of this B, and then I will bind this one with the Thai MVY here, and then this one I will tag the monthly. Okay, so just in case you want to split later. Okay, so now I combine the two parts, part A and part B, together, and then I have the complete view of the data in this case, with the tag here and the top column here. Okay, so you will expect to see the two parts in this case. So let me show you you can show the filter in here. But then let me show you the pivot table for this, and then you can see you can actually uh, add the fiscal column in front of the. Okay, here go. So you see in here the first three columns, they are the same. And then you have the part A, which has the fiscal column for FY23, FY24, and FY25. Okay, and then you can see here for FY25, actually they have 6 months only. It's not the whole period. So later I have to fix the label. Okay, and then the month here, you can see the month here, they are the same as before. So the answer is we are here already. Now if I want to add more column in here, can I do that? So the for example, if I want to add part A YTD24 in here before FY25, and then can I do that? Then the answer is yes. You can just only need to select only the part with YTD, and you change the name. Okay, so in this case, let me show you how to do this in here. So for example, if I want to uh, this one, because the tag is fiscal, so the tag is fiscal, but then this tag is actually the duplicate fiscal, so I will put a dup in here, uh, and then this one I want to fix it into YTD 24, and then I only select the FY24 in here. Sorry, this one is supposed to be A. Okay. So now uh, I want to select only the FY24 and then 6 months. Right? So this means that FY will equal to FY24, and then okay, so this one, if you want to select 6 months of 24 with the Y TD, you have to use this the left of the for the first four, you can see here the Y MBYs. You have the first four, you will have 20 the year and then the month, and then if you want this one to be 6 months, then you write this 2406. So basically from 2401 until 0426, they will fall into this part, and then you will have the second part in here. Okay, so now you have the 20 YTD 24 here already, but then I have a little bit problem with the 25 here. I want to change it into YTD. Then how can I do this? Then in here you can actually have the answer already. So if the FY equal to FY 25, and then you have to change it, then you have to change it to YTD 25. Other than else, I will keep the FY the same. Okay, and then after this, and then you can see you have here FY23 compare like for like with FY24, YTD 24 compare like for like with YTD 25. Now I want to check to make sure that all the numbers are like for like, and then so this is the view, the good view already, but then I'm not sure about the numbers inside the view. So I want to check, and then I will add the check in here before the view. Uh, so I want to make sure that the tags here by values, they are the same. Okay, so let us see how this thing goes. Okay, so you can see here the fiscal part and then the monthly part, they are the same. The duplicate part is it will be here. It will be this part, and then they are okay. So what can I say about this? I can say the monthly part and the fiscal part. Let me show you in the view. So the monthly part will be the part B. Okay, let me show you one trick to check this one as well, which is to use this thing, a mean and then the max. Okay, and then to count the number of month as well, DCM. Okay, then and then you can tell the so you in the monthly part you have 30 month, and then the first month will be the the January of 23, and the last month will be the June of 25. The same thing happened in here with the fiscal part, except for the duplicate part, which is we just duplicate them because we want the like for like view for to compare the two columns here. Okay, so this is the duplicate part. YTD24 is just duplicate because we want to compare like for like. Okay, so after this check, then I'm comfortable with the view already. So this view is what I want. Uh, and then uh, I need the last one, which is just to sort the categories in here, just to make sure that we have the good view. But it doesn't change anything in terms of like numbers or anything. Basically, if you go to Excel and you can sort it yourself, but I want to be a good provider, so I sort this one nicely in the market, and then I sort this one nicely in the segment, and then the KPI as well. Okay, so this is the final answer for your for the first question, which is to add the annual numbers before the monthly numbers.